Hey there everyone, have you ever been told you sound flat or robotic in English? Even if your grammar is perfect, or maybe you have noticed native speakers glide up and down with their voices like it's a roller coaster, while yours will stop on a straight road. Well, today we are diving deep into intonation, the secret sauce that turns your English into wow. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why you sound flat, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Let's unlock the music of English together. But first, let's clear the confusion here. Intonation isn't about volume or speed. It's the rise and fall of your speech while speaking. The melody of your sentences. Think of it like singing without holding exact notes. But first, let's talk about why having good intonation is important. Because good intonation is crucial for effective communication, as it allows speakers to convey meaning, express emotions, and emphasize specific words or ideas, making conversations more engaging and natural. For example, if you say, "I am so excited," there's a flat pitch like "I am so excited." It sounds so boring, and it really shows no excitement. But on the other hand, if you say "I'm so excited" with a rising falling intonation, certainly pitch shows genuine enthusiasm. Let's take another example. What if you say, "I never said you were stupid" to the flat pitch like "I never said you were stupid"? It could imply but others did. Or if you say, "I never said you were stupid" with a falling pitch and emphasizing "you" here, it really clarifies your meaning that you never said it. So, to help you with this problem, let's break down how many types of intonation are there. So there are 4 types of intonation: falling intonation, rising intonation, falling rising intonation, rising falling intonation. But first, let's talk about rising intonation. Rising intonation happens when the pitch of your voices rises at the end of a question that requires more information than a simple yes or no answer, or a statement that is not final. So I'm going to read these all examples and you have to just repeat after me. You have to rise your pitch at the end on coming. Are you coming? Are you coming? Could you help me? Could you help me? I need apples, bananas, and oranges. I need apples, bananas, and oranges. Okay, so here you have to notice one thing, that when you are listing items, then you have to use rising intonation for all items except the last one. It should have a falling intonation to signal the end of the list. For instance, I need apples, bananas, and oranges. I need apples, bananas, and oranges. You're serious? You're serious? Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Let's go out later. Let's go out later. Really? Really? It's cold, isn't it? It's cold, isn't it? And then what happened? And then what happened? Should it what? Should it what? Falling intonation. Falling intonation involves the voice pitch dropping at the end of a sentences or phrases typically used in statements, commands, and double-edged type questions. Falling intonation occurs when the pitch of your voice descends at the end of a word, phrase, or sentences. So there are examples. I am going to reading it and you'll have to repeat after me. I live in New York. I live in New York. Close the door. Close the door. What's your name? What's your name? The sky is blue. The sky is blue. No, I don't. No, I don't. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. Turn left at the light. Turn left at the light. You're turn right. You're turn right. You're done here. You're done here. Third is, it's a rising falling intonation. It happens when the pitch of your voice rises sharply, then drops dramatically within a sentence or phrase. For instance, oh wow. Oh wow. You actually did it. You actually did it. Are you serious? Are you serious? I said 10, not 12. I said 10, not 12. That's incredible. That's incredible. You think you can beat me? You think you can beat me? Oh, poor you. Oh, poor you. No, that's wrong. No, that's wrong. Do it or else. Do it or else. You ate how much? You ate how much? Last but not the least, falling rising intonation. It is a type of intonation where the voice pitch drops and then rises, creating a tip in the vocal melody. Like, I think we could try it. I think we could try it. It's good, but I'm not sure. It's good, but I'm not sure. Oh, great idea. Oh, great idea. If you want, they could. If you want, they could. Be careful with that. Be careful with that. I like coffee, but I love tea. I like coffee, but I love tea. I want to go, but I'm tired. I want to go, but I'm tired. Alright guys, so here I have a long conversation paragraph that uses 4 types of intonation that will help you to practice intonation. You have to repeat it in the same way as I am saying all these phrases. Jordan, the client wants to report by Friday. No extension. Friday? But I thought we had until next week. You saw it. Did you check the email? No, I didn't check it. But maybe I missed something. Oh, great. So we're both confused now. No, I'll finish it by Friday. I just need the chart, the budget, and the summary. You promise? Last time you forgot. The appendix? That was one time. I like fixed date. Fine, but if it's late, the client will cancel. Got it, boss. Good luck with that. So, that's it for today's video. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe if you want more videos like this, and comment me in the comment section below if you've made it thus far.